This is how to quickly derive the equation for resistors in parallel. So we've got a very simple circuit. We've got 3 resistors all in parallel with this power supply up here. Now we know from Kirchhoff's first law about the conservation of charge in that circuit that this current here, I, is going to be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, like we've seen down here. We also know that V equals I times R, so therefore I, the current at any point, is equal to V over RT. If we look at the current up here, if we look at the current here, that's going to be equal to V1 over R1 and so on. Now by substituting these back into this first equation, we can say that the total potential difference over the total resistance is equal to V1 over R1 plus V2 over R2 plus V3 over R3. Now, due to Kirchhoff's second law, we know that around any closed loop in this circuit, this value V here is going to be equal to either V1, V2 or V3. So they're all going to be the same value, and therefore these values here all cancel with each other, and therefore we can say that 1 over RT equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus however many resistors that we have in parallel.